But if the password you are using right now has already been leaked online and you don't even know it, fortunately, Google Chrome has a built-in security feature that can warn you if your password was compromised in a data breach. Let me show you how to turn it on so Chrome can help keep your account safe. To do so, open Chrome on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Tap the three dot at the top right and then tap setting. Tap privacy and security. Scroll down the screen. Now enable warn you if a password was compromised in a data breach. That's it. The feature is now active. When this option is on, when you use a password, Chrome checks whether it has appeared in known data breaches. If a compromised password is detected, Chrome will warn you. When doing this, your usernames and password are encrypted, so they cannot be read by anyone, including Google. Given to its function, this is a simple setting, but it adds an extra layer of protection to your online accounts. If you care about security, this is definitely one feature you should keep enabled. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.